Let's look at a poem from Tili Kannada grade 7. The name of this poem is Sarvajnana Vachanagalu. Sarvajna was a poet who lived between the 15th and the 16th century. And all his poems are called as Vachanagalu, or they are also called as Tripadigalu. Tripadi means 3 lines. So most of his poems will be 3 lines long and they teach moral values. So this Vachana, the current Vachana, talks about how we should respect our elders and teachers because they are our well-wishers and always hope success and have our goodwill in their mind. So children from a very small age, from a very young age, they need to learn to respect their elders and teachers. So let's look at the poem now. ಹರ ತನೊಳಿರ್ದು ಗುರು ತೋರದೆ ತಿಳಿಗುದೆ ಮರದೊಳಗೆ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಇರುತ್ತಿರ್ದು ತನ್ನ ತಾನರಿಯಬೇಕೆಂದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಹರ means God or all the good qualities. ತನೊಳಿರ್ದು within you. ಗುರು ತೋರದೆ ತಿಳಿಗುದೆ. So all the good qualities that is within you. A teacher is required to make you realize all the good qualities that you have. A person is a mix of both good and bad qualities. A teacher is a person who understands, who knows what you are good at, what are your good qualities. And the teacher is the one who shows you that these are all the good qualities within you and make you realize that you have such good qualities in you. So for this, to understand this, there is a example that is given. That is what is the next line. ಮರದೊಳಗೆ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಇರುತ್ತಿರ್ದು ತನ್ನ ತಾನರಿಯಬೇಕೆಂದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. So just like how a tree does not know that there is fire within itself, unless and until the tree is set on fire or the tree is cut into logs and the logs are set on fire, the tree does not realize that it has fire within itself. So just like how the tree does not realize that there is fire within it, so are we. So are the students. The students don't realize what are the good qualities they have within themselves. So a teacher is required to show and make you realize that these are all the good qualities within you. Then the next vachana. ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಆದವರು ಬಂದುಂಡು ಹೋಗುವರು ಬಂಧನವ ಕಳೆಯಲರಿಯರು ಗುರುವಿಂದ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಉಂಟೆ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಬಂಧುಗಳು here means relatives. ಬಂಧುಗಳಾದವರು ಬಂದುಂಡು ಹೋಗುವರು. So all the relatives, they just come, have fun with you, have food and they leave. ಬಂಧನವ ಕಳೆಯಲರಿಯರು. Bandhana is bondage. They don't know how to remove you from the bondage. Bondage is like you are having bondage to all the bad qualities, like feeling selfish, jealousy, all that. The people, the relatives, they don't know how to free you from such bondage. But a teacher is the one who will make you understand and who will free you from such a bondage. So there is no relative greater than a teacher. Guruvinda bandhugalu unte sarvajna. Is there any relationship which is much greater than a teacher? Then the next one. ಗುರುವಿಂದ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಗುರುವಿಂದ ದೈವಗಳು ಗುರುವಿಂದಲ್ಲಿಹುದು ಪುಣ್ಯವದು ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಗುರುವಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. So here he is talking about the importance of a teacher. So a teacher, he is like all our relatives. He is like the God. ಗುರುವಿಂದಲ್ಲಿಹುದು ಪುಣ್ಯವದು. Punya is when you do a good deed. When you do a deed, all the good things that you achieve from that. That is virtuousness. So that also your teacher will make you get it. Jagatkellavu guruvinda mukti sarvajna. Mukti means salvation. So a teacher also helps you to get out of this worldly bondage and reach salvation. So that is the importance of a teacher. A teacher is no relatives can be like a teacher. A teacher is almost like God and he helps you get all the good results of all your good deeds. And he also helps you to get salvation from this world. ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಶಿರಬಾಗಿ ಎರಗಿದರೆ ನರಸುರರು ಬಂದು ಸಿರಿ ಸುರಿದು ಕೈಲಾಸ ಕರತಲಾಮಲಕ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ means to teachers and elders. ಶಿರಬಾಗಿ ಎರಗಿದರೆ, you bow down and fall on their feet. You fall on the feet of your teachers and your elders. ನರಸುರರು ಬಂದು ಸಿರಿ ಸುರಿದು. So even gods will come and bless you with so much of wealth. Kailasa Karatala Malaka Sarvajna. So it will be like heaven is so crystal clear to you. Kailasa is a holy place where all the gods live. So it is like a heaven. Karatala Malaka means it will look so crystal clear. That means you will reach heaven. It will help you reach heaven and it will look so crystal clear to you. So this Vachana talks about how important it is to respect your elders and your teachers.